Learn Arabic fast. Where is equals
أين.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, traveler, ready to find everything, everywhere, with confidence? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart companion for language superpowers. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus drills. Today's hero phrase is, where is?
أين.
Say it once with me.
أين.
Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for any place like a pro. Your mission. Plug any word after, where is, and point the way. English, where is? Arabic.
أين.
Easy, friendly, powerful. Pronunciation coach. Let's make it sound smooth and confident. Say it slow.
أين.
One beat, like, in, with a light catch at the start. Now the full question shape.
أين.
Keep it rising at the end, curious, friendly. Gesture tip. Raise both palms and tilt your head slightly, your body asks too. Funny mini scene. A quick laugh locks the phrase in your memory. You.
عفواً.
Excuse me, tourist mode on. You. Where is the map?
أين الخريطة؟
Camel GPS, dramatic voice, recalculating.
أين.
Recalculating. You. Got it, just ask.
أين.
And follow the smiles. Plug and play examples. Drop in the place you need, instant Arabic. Where is the bathroom?
أين الحمام؟
Where is the train station?
أين محطة القطار؟
Where is the hotel?
أين الفندق؟
Where is the map?
أين الخريطة؟
Where is the museum?
أين المتحف؟
Where is the pharmacy?
أين الصيدلية؟
Call and response drill. Hear it, breathe, then say it out loud. Say in Arabic, where is the bathroom? Answer.
أين الحمام؟
Say in Arabic, where is the train station? Answer.
أين محطة القطار؟
Say in Arabic, where is the hotel? Answer.
أين الفندق؟
Say in Arabic, where is the map? Answer.
أين الخريطة؟
Culture tip. A tiny polite word opens every door. Add, please, or, excuse me, before asking. Try, excuse me, where is the museum?
عذراً، أين المتحف؟
Or, please, to a man.
لو سمحت.
To a woman.
لو سمحتي.
Smile, greet, ask. Directions come with kindness. Quick quiz. Fast checks make skills stick. Q1. How do you say, where is, in Arabic? A.
أين.
Q2. Complete it. Where is the train station? A.
أين محطة القطار؟
Q3. True or false?
أين.
Means, who? A. False. It means, where. Memory hook. Link sound to meaning and movement. Mnemonic. A-in, sounds like.
أين.
Your mouth opens to ask. Do the gesture. Raise your palms, scan left-right with your eyes, and say.
أين.
Lock it in with a beat. Dumb talk, dumb talk.
أين.
Wrap up. You did great, seriously. Today you mastered the travel power phrase, where is.
أين.
Plus key places like.
الحمام. محطة القطار. الخريطة.
And.
الفندق.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, share a smile, and ask confidently. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more lessons, printables, and videos at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.